Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change bank account on Binance. For that, first of all, you will have to open your Binance mobile application. Then on the home page, you will see the more options. So you need to tap on more. Now tap on P2P. So in most of the current countries you will see the P2P options, and from the P2P option you can basically change your bank account. Now in your country, if the direct bank account option is available, so you can just change your bank account from there as well. So once you are on P2P, you need to tap on the profile option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, then scroll down and here you will see payment methods. So tap on the payment method option and here you will see your bank account details. So it will be your previous bank that you have added here. So you need to tap on the pencil icon right next to it in order to change it. Or what you can do is you can simply tap on add a payment method, then select bank transfer and fill out this form. So you just have to provide your name, your account number, IFSC code and bunch of other banking details. Then you need to press confirm option in the bottom, and this way you will be able to change your bank account on Binance. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and giving it a super thanks. Thank you so much for watching.